Hi guys, good morning. JC here.
I'm Jolly. Saan tayo nasa loob ng church?
Kasi ikakasal kami again. Hindi, pupunta kami ng ang itinerary namin today is pupunta kami ng yung famous na Blue Dome. Pero maraming Blue Dome dito, pero yun yung famous talaga na pinupuntahan ng mga artista kasama kami. Char. Hindi, pupunta kami after ng Blue Dome is mag-cruise tour or what do you call it?
Boat tour dapat.
Boat
pero
tour.
hindi pa nagko-confirm.
Hindi pa nagko-confirm. So, mag-ano muna kami, mag-picture-pictorial muna kami doon sa Blue Dome na sikat doon. And, yun, at saka baka kain lang or I don't know, kung hindi talaga mag-reply yung inano namin.
I know.
So, yun guys, ano ko kayo, igala ko kayo, isama ko kayo sa aming pictorial doon sa sikat na Blue Dome. Right? Good night. Ay, good night ulit. Good morning pala.
Bye.
Bye! As you can see dito, wala pang araw. Or di ko alam kung saan yung araw. Ha? Diba? Puting-puti yung ano namin. Kasi dito kami sa Santorini. Mostly lahat ng mga ano dito is puti. Yung mga pinto. Wait na, ang lamig. Ish. Yan. At saka nakikita nyo yung mga church is may blue talaga. Para malaman nila na yun yung church. Wow. Para kami mga ano, wow, ganda naman. Yung mga tao na nag-pictorial doon. Ano? Picture mo nila kami sa iba ng asawa ko. Dapat may entry every today. Dapat may entry every morning. Dito. Kaya in-early namin yung pag-picture sa Blue Dome kasi mamaya sobrang dami ng tao. Walang tao today, baka lasing sila kagabi kaya walang tao today. Buti na hindi kami uminom kagabi. At saka may energy na kami. Alam mo saan? Dito maraming tao dito. Ngayon, early morning pa. What time is it? 8? Wala pang tao. Tip ko sa inyo guys, earlyhan niyo na for the picture perspective. Yung mga na yung may nag-avail na magpo-photograph, magpo-photoshoot. Pero kami na magpasugo na lang kami. Alam mo naman, ang kanilang rate is 250 to 80 daw to 1 hour. Limang pictures ka. Nakakamali pala kami. Ang early bird naman ito. Sila. Ang line. Papunta doon sa Blue Dome.
Wala, tig-isa lang talaga tayo.
Ha?
Tig-isa lang tayo.
May isa. Pwede naman magano. Okay. Ang gusto. Yan. Daming tao. Hindi, wait lang. Ano ka na?
ऑब्वियस है ना और सबसे बड़ा टूरिस्ट आएगा इतना पैसा स्पेंड नहीं करेगा मतलब जो
मैंने एक बार सोचा
what we are doing
Hey guys, kakatapos lang namin nag-shoot. Photoshoot. Kakatapos lang namin nag-picture kahit saan-saan. Ang Temple Run kami. Kasi 9:15 yung 9:15 yung call time sa aming pa-boat. At ngayon is 9 PM na, ay 9 AM na. 15 minutes para mag-change kami. Oh.
A few moments later.
Guys, nagmamadali lang kami mag 5 minutes mo. Wait. Bye! Oh. Baka maiwan kami sa boat. Nag-wait na lang kami nag-wait na kami sa susunduin kami. At ito na yung Mercedes na susundo sa akin. Yan. Yeah. Good morning. Alright. Dito na. Hi. Good morning.
My name is Nini.
Good morning.
Claudia.
JC.
Claudia.
JC.
How are you?
I'm good.
Name's here? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Guys, it will be just the two of you, so it will be like a private.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Very good.
Somebody wants to sail on windy.
You know what? It's maybe it will be a little bit windy, but
So fun.
in the safe
20 sana kami
So we will see.
Okay.
sa boat doon, pero walang nagbo-book.
We were
At
told
saka
there's
private.
like five people yesterday. So
Sorry?
we were told that
So
there's like 5
private
people
daw. So
already
kami
yesterday.
lang.
Yes, but
dalawa.
maybe they wanted to be at the sunset.
Hi guys.
So private daw kami. Dahil walang nag-sign up na iba.
Actually 20 dapat, right? So, ito yung ano. Say hi to my vlog.
We do vlogs.
Hi. This is Olivia.
Claudia.
Claudia.
It's okay, I like
Olivia
it.
Claudia. And you, sir?
Hello.
So dito may daan na papuntang port. Right. Ganda. So nandito na kami sa
Please come
boat.
with me. Thank you. And
Here's our beautiful tour guide. Claudia.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Guys, you will have a great time, I think.
Yes.
Have you ever been to Catamaran cruise?
I have in Cancun.
Cancun.
Yeah.
And how it was?
It was good. Like, but there's a lot of people. It's not unlimited wine, so not that good. But here it's unlimited wine.
Yes, of course. I can't be with you, unfortunately, on the cruise.
Yes, I know.
Our sick.
I would
Yes.
like it very much to go with you guys,
Go,
but
please.
unfortunately I can't.
I just like a sip. There.
Oh, that one is with that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, unfortunately, it's
Kung makikita mo
closed.
yung maraming mga cruise, mga boats
But
dito.
I can show you
Yeah.
another.
Which one? There a movie something.
Sir.
This,
Uh-huh.
that the guys these days are coming down the rocks.
Oh.
Oh, that is that white.
Same.
Which one? Sunset Taberna?
Pwede mo silang mapuntahan dito na mga restaurant, doon ka lang. Iikot ka dito.
We
Yeah.
have to wait for a bit. If you want
This
to
one,
wait
Timmy?
here.
Amundi Taberna. Oh, that's over there, the yellow
Yeah.
Yes.
one. The yellow one. That's what we're gonna
Wow.
try to eat tomorrow. Later.
We can wait here if you want, or whatever you want.
Yeah, it's fine. Modi Fish Restaurant.
Careful. It's carpet here.
So ito na yung boat namin. Yan, waiting na sa kanila. Yan. Ang laki ng boat, kami lang dalawa. Yan.
At may time.
What can you say about our boat? Ha,
Hindi ko
what?
naman in-expect.
Yeah.
Private.
Hindi. Ano
Private.
talaga?
May private event pala.
Para sa atin talaga to.
Correct.
Diba?
Tapos, hindi na tayo soli.
Kaya grateful ang bait ni Lord sa amin. Here na sa Carpe Diem. Yeah. Here. There.
guys, welcome. So before we get on the boat, step on the carpet with your shoes on. Remove the shoes on the carpet, and you can put them in the basket, okay? Okay.
All right. Come on.
So please, yes.
Everyone with
Alright.
gold.
Enjoy.
Thank
See you
you.
later.
Oh,
Look to the back.
Diba?
Here, don't fall now, fall later, okay? Swim.
No, we need
Hello.
the wine first.
Oops.
Calimera.
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 Calimera. Here you are.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid. You have to let me pass.
All right. Oh. Ang ganda ng boat. It's too big. Oh. So, amin lang tong boat. So, nandito na kami sa boat, sa likod ng boat. So, ayan. Excited.
How are you?
Good. Ready to get drunk.
How many hours?
So,
4 hours?
I have one question.
Yes.
Do you understand English? Should I do the
Yeah.
briefing?
English.
Perfect. My name is Anastasia. I will be your host for today. Our sailor name is Dennis and our captain name is Stelios.
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 You have the accent of Greek though.
Filipino.
Filipino?
Filipino.
What's your name?
My name, JC.
JC?
Jolly.
Jolly. Okay, perfect. So, let's start the safety tips now. When you're moving around the boat, all over the boat, there are some minutes bar. It's better to go from them when you walk because it's more safe. Now on the deck, there are some black windows. We don't step on the deck. In the front area of the boat, you will find 2 nets and a big sofa couch. Now about the sunscreen. We only apply sunscreen, please, only the back area, in the corners. This corner or the another corner, nowhere else, please.
No.
In
Is
the
it no?
corner, sorry, yeah. So, about the smoky profitable in the back area of the boat, we provide the nest. And the swimming part now. If you would like to swim, make sure to dry yourself very well because the floor and the other part of the boat is really slippery.
Okay.
You don't want to have any accidents, please dry yourself very well before you get inside. The last but not least, there are 2 restrooms. For the main needs, in the right side, no, left side, on the right, on the floor, downstairs floor. Perfect. And now, please, we don't throw paper in the toilet or any kind of paper because it destroys the toilet and we are gonna have a big problem with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So, do you have any food allergies?
No.
No.
No. Okay, perfect. You make my job easy.
Don't worry.
So-
We eat everything.
Of course. I have one question. About your meals, you have 2 meat, right? 2. It's chicken souvlaki.
Chicken. Yeah.
Perfect. So for the drinks, if you would like to drink something, we have cola, cola light, Fanta Sprite, water, sparkling water, white wine, and beer.
White wine for me.
What wine?
2 wines. Okay.
Lasing na tayo.
Yeah, pinalalasing tayo dito para matapos. So, punta lang kami sa front. Diba? Magandang view doon. I love.
Ayo, wala tayong pakialam sa pan.
Ha?
Wala tayong pakialam na mangitim ngayon dahil nasa Santorini.
Yes, true. Ayan lang siya. Picture mo na kami. Let's go! Love.
Tayo ka lang naman.
Nakatakot. Nakatakot na.
Tayo ka lang. Go.
Di ba maganon?
No.
So I can tell you the story of Sadori, not Sadori, it's called Isaiah. Isaiah is the dynasty Aya. How you see the front, dynasty.
Tira siya.
It's our first name. So this thing we have but before we are working the numbers, they need us there.
Ayan, so
Hindi pa tayo kumakain pa.
So magsiserve na ng wine. Ngayon. Hindi pa kami kumain pero sige na lang.
Mainit na.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, Ito. Where are you from?
Can you drink or no?
Alcohol, no, because I'm at work.
We won't tell.
Yeah.
See, nobody tell here.
He's the captain. He's in charge.
He's
so-
the captain?
No, don't worry. I can't drink in the one because I have to drink so much long time because if I drink one wine,
Quite likely.
Really?
Yeah. Normally it's a full boat.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think we're just lucky to here in Santorini. So
Oh yes.
it's our first time here.
And this is our honeymoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got married in
We got married.
December.
Ah, okay. So it's fresh. It's fresh still.
Are you guys are you married?
No, 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 no.
No
I'm
marriage?
20
No
years
marriage.
old.
No marriage.
Not yet.
Not yet.
No
Okay.
no
Time will
strings
come.
attached.
Time will come.
Time will come.
Yes.
One day,
One day.
One
yes.
day.
in a few years.
In your
And
future.
the good thing if you're married, you're already in Santorini. It's a nice place, nice view.
If I get married, I go somewhere else. I see this thing every
Every
single
day.
day.
True.
That's important.
Maybe get your honeymoon in Chicago.
Yeah. Guys, we're lucky kasi sabi naman ng mga crew dito, full talaga to, parate. And right now, binigyan kami ni Lord na private yacht or ano ba you call this one? A boat na kami-kami lang. Galing, di ba? Kasi siguro gusto nila yung sunset. Kami naman, gusto namin ng morning para mag-enjoy pa kami sa taas sa Santorini, doon sa Airbnb namin na kita yung sunset. So, ayun. Masaya lang. Last day na namin, bukas flight na namin. So, ayun. Enjoy lang namin. Ito yung late honeymoon namin ni Love. So, wala. Enjoy lang namin itong sana. Right? Ito.
Mas maganda maganda sa baba. Mas pwede.
So dito kami sa second spot ng Santorini Greece boat tour. So
Bigyan mo sila ng history.
I forgot. Ikaw na. Oh, alam mo.
So tong dito sa likod namin, ito yung volcano na nag-erupt noong actually the recent one that was 2012. Tapos yung pinakamalakas which was 7.2 yata.
Yeah. So ito yung ang last na active niya is 2011, right?
Mali pa yung sinabi mo.
Ano ba?
2012 po.
Oh, plus 1. At tignan mo doon. So yan mga nasira daw yan, as in walang mga bahay.
Dahil sa 7.2 na yun, nasira yung mga bahay doon. So 56 to onward naging bago. And then yung 2012 hindi na daw hindi naman malakas. So itong volcano na to, dormant. Yung mga black na rocks yan nakikita nyo. Lava rocks mga yan. So yun. And as you can see, nagluluto sila ng aming nag-grill na sila.
Parang barbecue chicken siguro.
Tapos that's the dining.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello everybody.
Yun ang aking captain. And ito yung, oh, look at that. Locust. Wow. May magkaroon na ng wave, di ba? Wala kanina.
Dahil sa big boat nga.
Oh.
Sa mga cruise ship.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Hi guys. Ita-try ko yung tubig dito sa Greece.
Ito
Malamig
sa,
lang.
ano to? Terracea.
Terracea.
Parang ganun.
Yeah. Hindi ganun mo. Loko. Hindi mo na short ko dito.
Wala daw, safe daw dito.
Are you sure?
Sinabi na sa tour ko hapon. Hindi ka nakinig kasi. Go, one.
There's a lot of fish.
Ang daming ano.
Hindi naman super lamig.
Hindi nga refreshing, it's good.
Right? Oh, lamig! Oh, lamig! Hindi lang, natakot lang ako actually.
Ito yung view.
Ha?
Cold?
Not really. I'm afraid.
Go. Win.
Jump! Whew.
So, anong pakiramdam na nag-swimming sa Santorini?
Masarap ang tubig.
Wow. Natikman.
Kasi mahal yung ticket. Sinipon pa ba ako? Good guys. Try nyo next time. Go love. Swim, then balik dito. Swim, then balik dito. You can swim naman din eh. Yan.
Lamig.
Malamig ba?
Malamig. Very deep daw.
I can tell.
Made by tomato, cucumber, onion, peppers, feta cheese, and olives.
What kind
Alright.
of cheese is it?
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
So this is like your traditional Greek
the
salad.
feta. Yeah, this one.
Sana love?
Traditional Greek salad na may tomato.
Next we have traditional tzatziki.
This one.
And eggplant. In America, this spaghetti.
You know what I like that I tasted yesterday? Cause like we were in a tour. Pava.
Fava.
Pava.
Wow,
pizza.
the
Oh my
best.
god, that one was
Yeah.
good. Pava was really
And
good.
here we have pita bread. It's grilled with oregano, oil, and salt on the top. You will love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we have grilled sausage. It's beef with
Yeah.
oregano top and portobello mushrooms with balsamico.
Thank you.
And next, Pelagani cheese. It's similar to halloumi with sweet crepe on the top. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
you.
Oh, did you mind taking a picture of us?
Yes, of course. It's really beautiful.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
So, yung crew dito sa tour namin na to, no, we just found it yesterday. Actually, it was cheap for the price. We only paid $100 each. It includes,
200 yung dalawa.
yeah, 200 for both. And then it included pick up and drop off. And then luckily, it's just the two of us here. Usually daw,
Puno.
they have about 20 people dito. Pero kami lang for the morning kasi I guess yung mga iba, they wanted to see the sunset. And nakailang sunset na kami. So we actually were planning to go for a dinner mamaya sa baba, Amuli Bay. for the sunset. But anyway, this tour, it's worth it. Sige naman, dalawa lang kami.
Amin lang to.
So, appetizer, salad, yogurt with cucumber, eggplant, and then cheese, bread, sausage, and then yung main course namin is this one, the chicken. So, namin. At saka babait ng mga crew nila. Very accommodating.
Yep.
Nilaya ko nga silang mag-wine. Ayaw naman nila. Sabi ko hindi ko sasabihin, pero gano'n sila kabait. Chicken.
Yung na tayo.
Laki ah.
Sarap.
Pakita namin mamaya kung saan kami nag-book para next time na magpunta kayo doon. Doon din kayo mag-book.
It's highly recommended. Di ba?
Oh.
We love Santorini.
Ang hindi ko na nagustuhan was I had to call this morning kung sino yung pick up sa amin kasi we were not given the details kagabi. Usually sabi nila they will text you via WhatsApp pero wala. So I had to call the company.
O baka nakalimutan.
Siguro
Dahil sa dalawa na lang tayo pala.
siguro sabi na sana mag-cancel.
Yun. I think yun yung ticket.
Pero ayun.
Pinush pa rin nila na kami ng dalawa. Pero this is good. And you know what? Ang private tour pala is around
Mahal eh.
is 800 and 800 is 700 like that. 700 and right now nakuha lang namin ng 200 parang private pa rin.
Parang nalugi pa yan. So, yeah. Gasolina pa rin.
At sa pagkain pala.
Din kayo ng boat dito. It's a little pricey. But it's worth it.
But try nyo mag-book lang. Baka kayo pa lang na nakabook.
True. Pagdating sa travel namin kasi
Maswerte ka.
I know, maswerte kami. Even yung mga luggages namin minsan na nag-over ng weight.
Ilang kilos.
Oo. Pinapabayaan lang nila. Wala kaming dagdag na bayad.
Siguro is because of our charm. Wow.
Ano yun?
Totoo lang. Yeah. Kaming to. Parang gano'n.
Tapos supposedly yung luggage namin papunta rito, there was supposed to be a limit ng weight niya na 8 kilos na. Hindi naman nila kinilo. Okay lang. Bread ko.
Is it bread?
Yeah. I'll save it for later. The next batch. Hindi ko lang nagdanit.
Macho naman. Mami or judger. Tingnan mo. Kumakain naman siya ng mushroom pero puti daw.
Yung mga puti.
Kung gusto niyo puting mushroom. Akin naman, puti or ano. Basta masarap siya. Ewan ko ba, parang chewy siya. Para siyang octopus.
Apat.
So, sabihin mo sa kanila. Yung third stop natin.
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi nag-book talaga kami. Hindi namin alam kung anong mga included. Nga, so funny lang diba na, okay, book na tayo kung go.
Okay?
Usually you have breakfast.
Yeah, I didn't even have a breakfast in the
Breakfast no.
No,
Do you like it so far?
I love it.
Yes.
The chicken was good. So the chicken here, it's not frozen. It's not, you know, when you buy the chicken, that's why it's really good.
It comes like fresh.
You feel like
I marinate it in the morning.
in the US, all
Without
our
freeze.
meat are frozen. Shrimp, chicken, beef.
There aren't shops that have fresh food.
Mm-mm.
Nowhere.
Nope.
Okay, I will not count them.
Yeah, no,
Not, but
it's
no.
better for.
New York, but you know something. I want to live in USA. One day I want to move there because I want to find a job about digital marketing. That's that I'm studying, and I want to take it far away.
Yeah.
Abroad, not in Greece.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, United States has a lot of job opportunity, so
Yeah.
you can just get
What
it.
you living abroad?
I do finance.
We do
Oh
finance.
no. No,
Wow.
I hate finance. Everything that has to do with economics. No,
Yeah.
pretty nasty.
So US is the one place that you want to go to?
Yes, but first I want to work some years here in Greece
Yeah.
to take the good experience,
Okay.
and then I want to go.
So you have to
abroad.
go back to Athens.
No, I live in Thessaloniki.
What is this again?
I Greek yogurt with sweet crepe.
Oh,
Enjoy.
thank you.
You're welcome.
So, need siyang alo-aloin.
Since nasa Greek ka, since nasa Greece ka, ang kainin mo lang, parang everyday kinakain mo ng Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, hindi ka na Greek sa...
So, healthy ka na.
Grabe, ang sarap.
Grabe ka naman.
Alam mo mahal dito, lagyan mo ng mga nuts or fruits. Ang
Mayonnaise. Saan yung bread?
ha?
Saan ba yung bread?
Macaroni salad.
Fantastic ka. Yung pose. Yum. Yung mamaya, after ng Greek yogurt, puta na ng banyo. Masakit na naman yung tiyan.
One eternity later.
Yan. Ito yung caldera. Caldera something. Caldera view. Wait lang. Yan. Nakabalot ng tuwalya. Tapos may one cruise ship doon. Popular kasi ang Santorini. Meron yung isa dyan, harapan. And meron pa isa doon. And
Wow, ang ganda naman ng Santorini. Yeah. I love.
share, alam. Nakailan na ako na
Ewan ko.
pangalawa to. Second na glass.
Mahal, you love me, mahal.
Love you.
Bakit?
Dahil okay.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Grabe ka naman. Vlog ko to. Huwag kang
Ano pa ba? Sige, ikaw mo na lang. Ikaw na lang magsabi.
mahal.
Ala, ikaw na lang magsabi kaya.
Kaya hindi niya ako love. Wala siyang masabi.
Uy. Ano hindi love? Nandito ko ako sa Greece eh.
Grace ba to? Kala ko Claveria to eh.
Wow. ang Claveria.
Ano?
Maraming puno.
Ito.
Tignan mo, may mga puti-puting bahay.
So nandito na tayo sa Red Sea. As you can see, it's red. Because it's Red Sea. Wow. I don't know. Mahal. Thank you for bringing. Thank you for bringing me here.
Guys, iiyak na naman siya.
Nope, hindi ako iiyak. Maganda lang talaga ang view. Pero kung pupunta kayo dito, may iiyak kayo sa view and yung sunset, kakaiba. Hope yung nag-watch sa mga vlog namin, hope na naranasan nyo din yung anong ranasan namin. Yan. Yan.
So, any Red Sea nga.
Yeah. Ang ganda. right now, pabalik na kami sa dock. And ayun, pinapunta na kami dito sa likod. Oh. Glad man. Ganda. Ganda ng tour. Yeah! I love Greece.
Ganda Santorini, promise.
Yes.
It's a must visit and a must do na activity dito sa Santorini. It's worth it. Well, sa amin worth it kasi kaming dalawa lang, supposedly 20 people, pero kaming dalawa lang yung nag-sign up for today.
Yeah.
No, actually we signed up for the morning tour because we want to do other things later today. Yun din yung recommendation nung Airbnb host namin to do the morning. So do other things in the afternoon. Since meron naman kaming sunset view sa Airbnb namin, like nice sunset view. So we decided to do morning tour and then who knows, baka mag-pier kami tonight.
Yeah.
But worth it, good price, and then we will give you the company name or tour name of this.
Yes.
Ibigay mo, ikaw yung nag-i-edit eh.
So dito lang nagtatapos yung vlog namin. It's so worth it talaga. Grabe, nag-enjoy talaga kami dito sa Santorini. And ayun, at masarap yung mga pagkain dito. My God, right?
Oh, by the way, we were supposed to go to the hot spring, pero because it's windy, hindi daw hot. So,
Yep. Please subscribe,
like,
and share sa aming mga videos. And I hope na magkita-kita pa tayo ulit dito. And
magbablog ka pa ba? Hindi.
No.
Ito na yung last.
Subscribe kayo para makita din yun naman yung mga travels namin ni Love. Right, Love?
Yeah, in 2 months ulit, meron kami ulit major travel within the United States lang. But it's you'll see.
Yes. And bye! And kita-gets next time sa aming vlog.
Ubusin mo muna ang wine ko sa'yo.
With Love.
Okay.
Bye.
Wait lang, kunin ko na yung wine.